A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, the Trump administration has invoked the state secrets privilege in response to a federal judge's order demanding further information regarding the deportation of over 200 Venezuelan migrants to El Salvador. This decision has sparked intense debate and scrutiny surrounding national security and the administration's immigration policies. The backdrop of this controversy involves U.S. District Court Judge James Boasberg, who had previously issued a verbal order instructing the government to refrain from deporting the Venezuelan nationals pending ongoing legal proceedings. However, the administration proceeded with the deportations, citing the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, claiming that the migrants had ties to the Tren de Aragua gang, although they have yet to substantiate these claims with substantial evidence. Following the deportations, Judge Boasberg sought clarification from the Department of Justice, DOJ, regarding whether they had violated his order. He requested detailed information concerning the flights that carried the deported individuals, including the number of planes, their destinations, and the timing of the flights. In response, the DOJ indicated that the cabinet was deliberating the invocation of state secrets privilege over the requested information, which is a legal doctrine that allows the government to withhold information if its disclosure could jeopardize national security. In a court filing submitted on Monday, the Trump administration argued that the court already possessed sufficient information to address the compliance issues at hand. The filing emphasized that any further inquiries into the matter could pose dangerous and unwarranted risks to the separation of powers, particularly concerning diplomatic and national security interests. The government maintained that the information sought by the court fell under the state secrets privilege, asserting that its disclosure could reasonably endanger national security and foreign affairs. Attorney General Pam Bondi, along with other high-ranking DOJ officials, signed the filing, which was also supported by Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem. Critics of the administration, including national security lawyer Mark Zaid, have expressed skepticism regarding the invocation of state secrets, arguing that it should not exempt the executive branch from judicial scrutiny. Zaid noted that the Supreme Court has made it clear that judges are not required to relinquish their oversight responsibilities when the government claims state secrets. Additionally, Aaron Reichlin-Melnick, a senior fellow at the American Immigration Council, pointed out that the government has not classified the information in question and that it pertains to actions the administration has publicly discussed. The administration is also pursuing the deportation flights case in appellate court, seeking to reinstate the flights despite the ongoing legal challenges. This situation raises critical questions about the balance of power between the judiciary and the executive branch, especially in matters involving national security and immigration. As the Trump administration navigates these complex legal waters, the implications of their decisions will undoubtedly resonate throughout the political landscape. As the debate continues, it remains to be seen how the courts will respond to the administration's claims of state secrets privilege and what this means for the future of immigration policy in the United States. The administration's handling of the situation will likely have lasting effects on its relationship with the judiciary and public perception of its immigration practices. In the meantime, the Trump administration's controversial actions have drawn criticism from various quarters, with calls for greater accountability and transparency regarding immigration enforcement. As the legal battle unfolds, advocates for immigrant rights and national security will be closely monitoring developments, eager for clarity on the administration's policies and practices. With the political climate as charged as ever, this case exemplifies the ongoing tension between national security concerns and civil liberties, a dynamic that will continue to shape the discourse surrounding immigration in America. The Trump administration's invocation of state secrets privilege may provide a temporary shield against scrutiny, but it also raises fundamental questions about the limits of executive power and the rights of individuals facing deportation. As we await further developments in this case, the stakes are high, and the implications for both national security and immigrant rights are profound. The outcome of this legal battle may set important precedents for how future administrations navigate similar challenges, making it a pivotal moment in the ongoing discussion about immigration policy in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.